friends, this is Apoorv. I'm in class 7 and this is the playlist of chess tutorials and this is number 2, part 2. And in this video we are going to talk about two things. What are the name of these pieces? These all. And what are the points corresponding to each? Okay, so let's get started. So you can see um, these all are pawns. These are in front. Okay, there are 8 pawns and they have 1 point each. Okay, so if we go to these things, these are these are rooks. Okay, these are rooks, and what are they have corresponding points 6 to each. So in one white pieces there are two rooks, so 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So total 12 points for this. So 8 and 12 means 20 points. And when we come to this bishops, knights, there are two bishops and two knights. Each are 3 points. And like two knights, so 3 plus 3 6. And same for bishop, so 6 plus 6 12. So 20 plus 12 is equal to 32 points, which are total of them. These are called bishops and these are called knights. I'll tell you how to move them and how to capture from them all. Okay, so this is the most active piece on the board. These two. These are queens and they can help us to checkmate the king. And they each points 9 points. Okay, so what is the motive of the game? The first thing comes in our mind. We have to checkmate these both kings. These are kings, okay? And kings have no points. They are very valuable. And if we checkmate them, so we wins. Okay. So I think this video gives you a basic information of what are pieces, what are the name of these pieces. Okay. And I do think you'll get information like this. Uh, and what are the each corresponding points for each? And what is the motive of the game? Thank you, and I'll see you next.